Hi everyone, today we're trying Flux.1Krea Ai, a new free AI tool for creating stunning watermark free images that you can even use commercially. Okay, let's get started. First, just search for Flux.1Krea Ai in your browser, and then just click the official page link, this one. Next, on this page, you can generate images right away without logging in, but you are limited to 4 images per page. And for unlimited use and extra features, just sign in with your email or Google account. But first, let's try generating an image before logging in. Just type your idea in the prompt box, this box. For example, I will type my prompt like this. Like this, and then just click generate. And see, Flux One just produced a hyper-realistic result in seconds like this. And if you want to download it, just click download button. Now let's try generating after sign in. Just click on sign up and then sign up with your Google account. And here you can see many tools that you can try. But in this tutorial, I will try to generate images again. And then just type your prompt. I will type my prompt like before, like this. Like this. And then you can choose your style. And you can also upload your image style as the reference for generate the image, and then you can choose your ratio of your image. I will choose this one, and after you're done with your set, just click generate. Like this. The Flux one will give you 4 results like this, and then just choose one that you like, and you can even also upscale it first before download it. Okay, I think the upscaling process will take a little longer, but the steps are more or less the same as I explained earlier. And once the upscaling process is complete, just simply download your image. And then you will be done generating images in Flux.1Krea Ai. It's fast, realistic, and totally free. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.